Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about inherited traits, those physical characteristics or features we get from our parents, grandparents, and even ancestors. To make this topic more relatable, I want to share what I have learned from interviewing my friends about her height and how it connects to our family genetics. I started by asking my friend about her short height and where she thinks it came from. She told me that she inherited her height from her mother's side of the family. This me made curious to dig a little deeper, so I asked if her mother knew where she got her height. My friend explained that her mother also has a short height and inherited it from both of her parents, my friend's grandparents. It was interesting to learn that this physical trait wasn't just something random. It followed a pattern through generations, being passed down from her grandparents to her mother, and now to her. What stood out to me is how height, like the other inherited traits, is often a visible connection to our family's history, just like how we inherited eye color, hair type, or facial features. Height is also influenced by the genes we receive from our parents and ancestors. These traits come together to create a unique combination that shapes how we look. It is not just about appearance, these inherited traits are also a reflection of the people who came before us. They reminded us that we carry a part of our family past with us. Even a smallest way, it's fascinating to think that something as simple as height is actually a piece of a much bigger story, one that links us to our roots. So why does this matter? Understanding inherited traits helps us appreciate the genetic bonds we have shared with our relatives. It shows us that we're not just connected by memories or experience, but also by the physical characteristics passed down through generations. In conclusion, inherited traits like height are more than just biological facts. They are a reminder of our family history and the invincible traits that tie us to our ancestors. They shape who we are today, both physically and emotionally.